Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my tourism blog. So, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today, we have come to Sipsagar Resort, which is called Zoonskaya. You can see the signboard over there. It's a resort, a luxurious place, a luxurious inn or hotel, you can say, where the tourists come here and they stay here and enjoy the beauty of this place. So, let's proceed. You can see this is our heart. This was our heartthrob Jubin Garg. His picture is here, and this is a film hall in Zoonskaya. You can see many films are shown here. This is a cinema hall. Our heartthrob of Assam, our Jubinda, late Jubinda. You can see many beautiful pictures of him over here. You can see the posters of Jubinda here one by one. This is a, it is just like exhibition or showroom. It's showroom, I think. You can see the cane materials made. You can see all and lights made of cane here. Beautiful flowers are there, petunias and many seasonal flowers. All are hanging on this wall, looking very beautiful. Seasonal flowers, beautiful flowers. You can see it's well decorated resort. I'm going to go inside the resort, Zoonskaya. Here people come and have their meal. In the evening there is very much rush here. Many people come in the evening. Resort, you can see it's just like park. Very many things are there to see. I want to sit here. So, how is it looking? This is made of haze and all. And there is light also. In the night you can see the light. Here now it's morning time, so not many people have assembled here, gathered here. So it's around 10:30 like that. So now everyone is, the workers and all, they're cleaning everything. Till night there'll be rush of people over here and it will look very lively. It is a resort which was made at around 2023, and it is a resort so that people who come from the far places, they to visit our Sipsagar, the historical places, Talatal Ghar, Rangghar, Shivadal, Karenghar, all these people, the tourists and all, they stay over here and enjoy the historical place and enjoy the scenic beauty of this resort. It's a luxurious place. I'll show you more about it. So friends, you can see this is a swimming pool. Yeah, the swimming pool. This is a small mini swimming pool for the kids. Evening when the people come, they can sit and enjoy. Here they can order some things, eatables. It looks very lively at night time because all the lights are lit up and it looks very glamorous. It's a luxurious resort. Cushions are also very soft and cozy. So friends, it's so soft and cozy. They enjoy here sitting, eating, having delicious lunch and dinner on the top. These are all colorful lights. Now it's state inns where the people come over here in the evening, line by line. You've seen yellow color bamboos? See this? See the color of this bamboo? This is a different. They have painted this wall. You can see the tribes of Assam. They're depicting this through the paintings. Manipuri girl. Painting of a Manipuri girl. You can see the Manipuri dress worn. Flowers, pots which are fixed to this wall. You can see it's so beautiful. Pond, a big pond. Here, boating facility is also there in the evening, and many fishes are also here. See its length and the width of this pond. Now we are proceeding a little forward. Friends, can you say what is this? What statue is this? This is mermaid. In Hindi we say Jhalpari. We have come almost the end of this vlog. This is also a restaurant. You can see so beautiful, many lovely flowers are there. Cozy restaurant. It's a luxurious resort. This is also a lodge. The tourists who come over here, when they come to visit Assam, means This is another pond. This is blowing over here. Beauty of this place, Zoonskaya. In the middle of the water. This is another restaurant. You can see all the workers, they are working over here. You can see this statue also. We have come almost to the end of this vlog. So friends, this was my tourism vlog, resort vlog of Zoonskaya. So I hope you liked it, and thank you for being with me till the end of this video. And if you like my video, please support me by giving like, share and subscribe to get further notification. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day, see you all again soon.